This is a lecture on P3 integration which deals specifically with these two formulas. Integration of 1 over x dx is equal to ln x, and integration of 1 over ax plus b is equal to ln of ax plus b with a mod sign, but dividing this expression with the derivative of this, which is a. It is much more advisable to remember these formulas like this, that if the derivative of the denominator is seen in the numerator, like in this case the derivative of x is 1, if you can spot that the derivative of the denominator is seen in the numerator, then the easiest way out is to just write it like this. You put the denominator here and use an ln sign. For example, what is the derivative of the denominator here? The derivative of the denominator is a. I don't see it here. What I can do is that I can create it here. If I put an a here and divide this expression by a, thereby not changing the original expression, now I can see the derivative of the denominator in the numerator. So the formula then becomes, this expression comes as it was, and now I can write ln of ax plus b. To sum up, what I am saying is that if you see the denominator, the derivative of the denominator in the numerator, then simply the formula is to put an ln sign of the denominator. Here the denominator had a derivative of 1. I could see it here, so the answer here was ln of x. Here the denominator had a derivative of a, which I can see here. So the formula simply became this expression. This expression was just copied here, and as far as this is concerned, this had a derivative of a which I could see here. So the formula then becomes the derivative of the denominator. Let's take an example. The first example, for example, I have a question 3x plus 5. I don't see the denominator has a derivative of 3 which is not seen here, so I can create a 3 here and divide this expression by 3. Now the original question is the same, as well as I can see the denominator, the derivative of the denominator here. So my answer is going to be 1 over 3. This 1 over 3 came here, and the answer is ln of the denominator itself, 3x plus 5. That's the final answer, plus c. Let's take another question. Let's take it 3 over 2 minus 5x. First of all, take the constant outside. So I'll get 3 times 2 minus 5x dx. This time around, the denominator has a derivative of negative 5, which is not seen in the numerator. If I create it here, now I can see the derivative of the denominator here, and I have to divide it by the same expression. Now my condition is fulfilled that I can see the derivative of the denominator in the numerator. So my answer is now going to be simply, this expression comes as it is, minus 3 over 5 ln of the denominator itself with a modulus sign, 5 through 2 minus 5x plus c. That's the answer. That's about it. We'll continue with more questions in the next lecture. Thank you.